Only the wealthiest investors gain access to the top-tier investment strategies. And finally, you can too. I am a former trader and money manager, and I'm going to unveil to you my most successful automated Forex trading system, up until recently available to 10 million plus net worth clients only. And I'm going to show you how to access one of my accounts with over $140,000 in profit from trading my system. I have witnessed lying, cheating, and legal theft of thousands of traders' monies over 10 years while working for a reputable trading fund. All of these funds and banks legally steal money from their clients. And I'm sick of it. I'm sick of seeing the faces of disappointed traders and hearing about people losing their life savings. It makes me sick to my stomach, and I can't take it anymore. I've sit idle for too long. I want to make things right. It's time. My name is Doug Price, and I worked for a top trading firm you may have heard of, but unfortunately, I can't share the details about them due to a confidentiality agreement. I was basically an independent contractor for them, licensing my strategies and software to them, and helping them manage clients with these tools I created. I'm very good at what I do, and I want to help change your life today. For over 10 years, I was paid to develop trading systems for our top clients. When I say top clients, I mean clients who have a net worth of at least 10 million. That means 95% of investors, most likely including you, were treated with lackluster service and have been taken advantage of. The 95% of traders never had a chance ever to run my systems and make real profits like the other 5% were making. Another big reason why the rich keep getting richer and the poor get poorer. Unfortunately, everyone else was just taken advantage of with unethical fees and subpar returns. It was just their way of keeping you working and coming back for more. Have you heard of these big names? PFG, Best, MF Global, Madoff Investments, just a few companies that promised to be honest and help make their customers money. These companies just ended up losing everything. This is unfortunately not the first time that this has happened, and it will not be the last. These companies went under because of either breaking laws or mismanagement, but there are some companies like the one I worked for who do everything legally but unethically. And unethically means they are essentially stealing money from you, but not breaking any laws doing it. How do they do this, you ask? Easily. Here's how, and unfortunately I see this happen over and over again. 1. The manager will collect commission every time he trades for you. 2. The manager will allocate your money into funds that give him kickbacks. And 3. The manager will charge a percentage fee to you of the money you gave him managing. These managers don't care to make you the most money, just the bare minimum to take their cut and keep you coming for more. And that is why you should be the manager of your own funds. Before you throw your hands up in the air and say, "I have no trading experience. I am not a genius. These professional traders are smarter than me." Stop, because it's not true at all. Those statements couldn't be further from the truth. When I was in college, I worked as an intern for a financial management firm, and you would think most of these guys were brilliant, but they weren't. In fact, some were dumb as rocks. Do you want someone like that managing your money? I sure don't. But tons and tons of people daily trust their life savings to these people. And all they do is literally pick random funds, systems, and traders based on ratings they see to handle portions of your money. There's not much to it. You can manage your own funds. You don't need to make any trades either. You can have it all on complete autopilot. Just select your risk and watch it grow. I'm going to show you how to use the exact system I give to the 10 million and up net worth clients. Once it's set up, you do nothing. It's all on autopilot. No manager is touching your funds or trying to cheat you, just a computer software trading for you, giving you a competitive edge over other traders. Introducing the once exclusive software used by the wealthy, REV Trader PRO. For the past 10 years, I've created some incredible pieces of trading strategy, but one of my most successful and popular with the wealthy clients was and is REV Trader PRO. REV Trader PRO trades the Forex markets. It's a completely automated system, and in a few minutes, I'll tell you exactly why it's one of my most favorite and profitable investments in the world. And today, I'm going to give you full access to the software, the complete software with no limitations, exactly as I've run it for others and myself. I was never really an employee, as I retained complete control of my software. The firm I worked for never had rights over it. So recently, when I finally left the trading firm, REV Trader Pro became unavailable to all clients. Until now, because I'm making it available for you today. REV Trader Pro has made my clients millions of dollars. In fact, I will show you in a moment how it has taken one of my personal accounts and netted me over $140,000 in almost 1 year. That's almost $12,000 a month. Some of my clients have netted over $100,000 per month. This is not fake money, and this sure as hell isn't a cent account. We're talking about real money. In fact, let me prove it to you. This is my personal account. If you click the gray widget below this video, another window will open showing the stats for this account. My FX Book is a third-party trusted and verified service. They utilize my investor password to log into my account and verify it is real. And here are some more stats. Take a look. The profit is insane. You don't need to be a trader or a computer enthusiast to run REV Trader Pro on your Forex trading account. I've simplified the whole process because the clients I've worked with in the past were quite inexperienced. It is simple. Your Forex broker provides a platform called MetaTrader 4. It's easy to install. They provide the installer software that does it for you. And even easier, my REV Trader Pro comes with an installer that installs and sets up the software automatically onto the MetaTrader 4 platform. You really don't need to do much. You don't need to figure out any settings. The best possible settings are built in and set for you already. No other software or inconvenient runtime files are required. The market is in a constant state of war. Traders are fighting to push the market up and down. It's a state of constant volatility. This is great news for us because if we time it right, we can profit on these movements. I've designed REV Trader Pro to monitor the up and down patterns and detect highs and lows. With this data, the software makes entry on the reversal of the market movement. Here's the thing about trading. There can and will be false trade signals. This is what separates the winners from the losers. From my years of experience trading, I've learned the patterns and have created filters to help avoid false signals. These filters are built into REV Trader Pro. In fact, there's a bunch of exciting features. Let's take a few moments to go over them. Trade Reversal Detection Technology. A specifically designed unique software technology that detects potential reversals using my years of trading experience. False Signal Detection Technology. This software technology works hand in hand with trade reversal detection to spot and avoid possible bad trade signals. Account Risk Management. Based on your account equity, you can set a specific percentage of risk you want your account to be exposed to at any time during trading. Trade Operation Management. After opening a trade, it's even more important that the trade is closed at the right time. With a built-in dynamic trade management system to lock in profits, the account growth is greater and smoother. Alert System. An alert will pop up on trade actions. Optional, of course. Email Notification. You can have REV Trader Pro email you when trades occur. ECN multi-digit compatible. Brokers can come in a few shapes and sizes. ECN, NDD, STP, 4-digit, and 5-digit, various spreads, etc. If you don't understand this, don't worry, it's all handled. REV Trader Pro doesn't use any deceptive trading tactics, and what I mean by that is no martingale and no grid. These are just dangerous methods to make accounts continue to grow in the short term, but they end up destroying your account. I've had my fair share of trainees under me over the years. These guys are all the same. They have a big head and they think they're going to make millions, but don't know the first thing about making safe, consistent, long-term profit. It's the same story over and over. Go for the quick win. Eventually they lose it all in one big trade. I have a very powerful method to confirm validity of trades that most trainees would never follow. And even most Forex strategies I see today do not follow. And you'd be surprised because it makes complete logical sense. I made certain that this feature is in REV Trader Pro. It adds another level of safety to your trading. So what exactly is this method? It's unbelievably simple, but don't let that fool you. REV Trader Pro runs on the 1 hour time frame. The entire strategy, analysis, etc. occurs on that chart. Once a signal of buy or sell has been acquired based on the proper patterns identified, and all systems have done their checks, REV Trader Pro will do one final confirmation. It switches internally to the daily chart to do one last analysis to track the direction of the trend. If the trend does not match with the signal acquired on the 1 hour time frame, then it will not make the trade. Here's what I mean. This is a very important verification because the daily chart cuts out the short-term clutter of the market analysis and gives us a clearer picture of where the market is going. Essentially, if the trade signal in the hour chart happens to go against us, but the daily chart is in favor of the trade, there is a high probability it can and will recover in the profitable direction. Therefore, it gives us an additional layer of protection when entering a trade. Have you heard of the traditional retirement motto? Work your job for 20 to 30 years, save and invest your earnings in safe mutual funds, 401ks with money managers, etc., then retire with a nice $1 million nest egg. There's a few problems with this reasoning that makes it very dangerous advice to follow. If you count inflation, then $1 million in 20 to 30 years won't be enough for retirement. Inflation will destroy your nest egg. You would need to consistently average 8% to 12% return a year, which money managers claim they can achieve for you with their traditional investments into bonds and stocks. Look at history. It's just not possible to guarantee those kinds of returns in the stock market. Look how many people have lost their nest eggs and have had to return to work in retirement. Salaries have not budged up much in the past 20 years, but prices have risen. How do you expect to keep saving for retirement when you have to spend all your money just to survive? That's why I've been trading Forex for over 10 years. With Forex trading, the potential to make money is infinite. The ability to leverage a small amount of money to produce a much larger amount is far greater than that of any stock trading. In Forex, with my strategies and systems, I've helped an abundant amount of wealthy clients produce insane returns on their money that no average money manager can even come close to. The most important reason that I favor Forex trading to build my nest egg and produce a passive income is because it doesn't matter if there is a market crash or boom. For example, REV Trader PRO doesn't care whether the market is up or down. It just wants volatility. It wants movement. Movement creates trade opportunity, and it will catch and ride the movement in either direction. I personally get excited about trading. It's my passion. I've been trading for as long as I can remember, and there's nothing better than it for me. I hope I can share that passion with you, with the results you get with my system. With my interactions with clients, I've often noticed a few characteristics of trading that they love and demand, and I've tried to place these characteristics within REV Trader PRO, so I'm confident you will love it just like me. Here's what I did. 1. REV Trader PRO does not scalp. Scalping is great, but it comes with a risk of losing money from commission, spread, slippage, and broker sensitivities. 2. REV Trader PRO loves to ride the waves of the market up and down with its unique style of trading. 3. REV Trader PRO operates successfully on 4 currency pairs: AUD USD, GBP USD, EUR USD, and NZD USD, and can be optimized for other pairs also. 4. REV Trader PRO offers a powerful set of controls to optimize and adjust settings. But don't worry, default settings are excellent. I use them on my own account. There is no need to make any adjustments. As of a few months ago, I'm no longer working with any trading firms. I'm on my own. I decided to switch sides. I'm dedicating the rest of my life to help those who have been abused by our financial system. At one point or another, you probably have experienced financial struggles. Debt, job loss, family problems, the list goes on. Early in my life, I experienced the same, and that's another reason why I want to help you. The markets can and do change, and new opportunities arise. Because of this, I am constantly perfecting my trading strategies, especially REV Trader PRO, one of my all-time favorites and most profitable systems. I'm always discovering new ways to improve the settings and the strategy, which is why REV Trader PRO will continue to work into the future. I pass off these updates and improvements to you. Join REV Trader PRO today and become a lifetime member of my special trading group. I will share with you everything you need to succeed in Forex and with my system. With your membership, you get full access to the following: full lifetime license to the REV Trader PRO software, no trade copying, the exact software I personally have used on dozens of multi-million-dollar accounts, free updates and strategy improvements. I enjoy perfecting my strategy and making it more powerful and profitable. There's always room for improvement. That's why any changes to the strategy or improvements to the software itself are provided at no cost to you. The best support you'll ever experience. You're investing in your future. You need someone to guide you and keep you on the right track. Someone you can trust. That's why not only will you have 24 access to me via email support, but I'm also going to give you my personal Skype username to reach me if you have any important issues. Everything is provided that you need to get started. Doesn't matter if you're new to Forex or a veteran. Everything is included to get you set up and running quick. additional trading pairs with proper settings for each pair. Don't worry if it doesn't make sense. It's plug and play and ready to go. Before you jump on board and join me as the next successful REV Trader Pro member, it's important you know that my software is not free, and I want to share with you why, as I feel I owe you an explanation. You're probably thinking, I've done so well, why do I need to sell my software? And I understand where you're coming from when you might think that, but there's good reason. First, if I gave my software out for free, it would reach thousands and thousands of traders who would abuse it and dilute the market, and that would render one of my favorite trading strategies useless. Not to mention, I can't possibly talk to thousands of people on Skype or email. It's just not possible. I find that when you invest your time or money into something you're passionate about, such as achieving success in Forex, then the outcome is significantly better than if you invest nothing. By investing money into REV Trader Pro, you're committing yourself to making this work and for you to become a huge success in Forex trading. Not to mention, you take me on as a partner for life. I want to see you succeed. Don't worry, because I guarantee you will succeed with my software or your money back. Although REV Trader Pro isn't free, I have no intention of making you commit to my system without a rock-solid promise and guarantee that you can count on. Sign up today, become a member of my trading group, and gain full access to myself and REV Trader Pro. If at any time within 2 months, that's 60 days, for any reason you are unsatisfied, unable to continue using my software, or for whatever reason at all, just let me know and I'll refund you in full. I will return every dollar and cent to you, no questions asked. This is fact. I honor every request for any reason. Joining REV Trader Pro is absolutely risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, then I return your money. With that said, I urge you to act fast, and not because of a claim of limited copies. As I stated before, I do not want to invalidate my system by giving away too many copies, and I definitely am not physically or mentally able to provide support for an infinite number of people. But I don't want to sound like a marketer and put a set limit and lie to you about a specific number of copies. So I will see how many people I can accommodate, and I will cut off sales when necessary. If I feel that I'm able to accommodate more traders like you, then I might open a few more slots after closing the doors, but don't count on it. Be sure to lock in your copy today, and you won't have to worry about them running out. And again, there's no reason to worry because I will refund your money if you're unhappy for any reason. When you're ready, scroll down this page and you will find the Buy Now button. You have an important decision to make. I've made my clients millions of dollars trading Forex with my systems and strategies, and now I want to give you access to my most profitable and most popular system. There is no risk for you with my 60-day money-back guarantee, and that includes full access to me via Skype and email. Consider yourself a part of my team, and I want you to be successful with me. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me, support@revtraderpro.com, and I will respond as soon as possible.